What is it? We don't know the name. It's just the main entrance. Tầm yên. Wow, it's look way better than other side. It's like go to the zoo, but it's not. Oh my God! You see the top of the here?
Yeah, I see work.
Oh!
So I think people going.
Oh my God, that far!
Thank you for your patience. Please continue to hold as your call is being held in sequence for the next available specialist.
Anh không đặt kịch. No, can make fire here. Someone like camping here. Ôi, rõ mình tên. Oh, babe, look at the yellow one. Oh, the purple. Huh? Oh, chắc hả? Yeah, they made something here. You go first so I can hold you.
Trời vừa lỡ một cái lỡ cái được. Hà thì trong tầm trong thôi.
No, mình hà nó tới đòn mà.
Cool, really?
I wanna see.
No, I'm fine, but my baby.
He's fine. He told me like, Mommy, I want to go too. I'll test that.
Tết con surprise mình nói chết hởn. Mấy vì cho nên chết ai chứ ấy tục mai vậy. Giờ đã lấy mẹ là tại chẳng vậy mà chết.
Ngày nay khuyên khuyên chợt mẹ nè. Lan sao khuyên khuyên.
Mình vì chợt.
Bộ sao làm hả? Mau chỉ crom.
Looking for answers to many of your everyday questions related to your TD bank accounts without calling? Meet TD.
Em lên from nhà mình sẽ được rồi.
Yeah, just come to feel the nature.
Stream.
Oh yeah.
So those kids want to play with the water.
Little rock creek. It's creek. Creek here. Oh.
Oh, the little rock creek. People would open their mouth, sit and enjoy eating.
Yeah.
They could say open their mouth.
Yeah. I'll look the scenery for a while.
For a moment. Oh, nice.
Oh, you can hear.
You can even film here.
You can feel the waterfall.
The water flowing.
Yeah. It's natural.
I believe it's so cold.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
that
so.
nice guy, you see? He took off his shoes walking, so he can feel the nature.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Cái này mưa nó quên mai sọt mà. Cái có mưa ăn liền. Đi vô bốn kia.
Con cắt nè. Bộ này sọt mà. Oh, it's also here. Let's check here. What is it?
Yeah, little road creek here.
Oh, the same creek.
From this side, continues this side.
Thank you for your patience.
Oh, yeah.
Please continue to hold as your
Oh,
held in sequence for the next
oh it's flowing.
Yeah, build a small house here. Oh, that's my dream.
Yeah.
By the creek. Build a little house here, a little farm, and the creek just in front of the house. What a wonderful life. And we have birds, animals,
Yeah.
dogs, everything like that. I have no idea.
Yeah, because we cannot see.
Oh, look at the map.
Are we done yet?
Get some idea.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this is a lake.
I am waiting
Pond.
for my
Pond? Oh wow. Come and see. Oh wow. Cedar trap.
Just like just a pond. In Cambodia we have tons of fish ponds.
Oh,
Lake's big there, you know.
a lot of wood,
Pond
dead
like
wood.
Sra. Yeah, I like nature like that.
Oh, it's really clear water. Wow.
It's nice. There is a trail that you can go wherever you want. It's just like let you wander. When you see pond like this, you expect fish, right? But here, for some reason, they don't have fish.
How do you know?
Thank you for your patience.
The fish maybe here.
Little fish.
As your call is being held in sequence for the next available specialist.
I think it's good to walk as a family, bring kids to see the lake, to see the creek.
Yeah.
weather forecast for tomorrow.
And you feel the nature. What is it?
Guys, unsafe, keep off. In winter.
Is it tutor?
Yeah, turtle. It looks like turtle.
No hunting, no harvesting,
Auntie likes it.
no trapping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Picking wild plants is considered poaching. It destroys habitat and removes in plant food sources, important food sources. Or it's considered poaching.
So this pond have a tutor. Tutor.
No, not about that particular pond.
Huh.
This sign is for this area. You're not supposed to pick like the wild plants. It is considered as poaching. You know poaching, right?
No.
You're hunting animals illegal. Illegal is called poaching. You can have access to the railway. People can take photos. It's nice.
Oh, you go. We walk that far. Oh, I think this is the old real road and they just make a new one. We don't really know.
Yeah.
What is this? City of Toronto? Close. What the name of this place? Oh, how come we get in? Huh? There is no way in.
Maybe they go this way.
Yeah, we should get in. Oh. I think that
Actually, it's under construction. It's not open to the public. But I think it's like a small road here or a trail. We don't know.
how can people get in there?
No, don't stand near the bar or anything like that. We don't know. It has electricity in it.
How people still going there? They already closed.
You couldn't go this way. I believe. Oh, there is no access here.
Yeah.
Thank you for your patience. Please continue. Your call is being held in sequence for the next available specialist.
Cô cứ cái tàu bây giờ dư lại không cứ bị chăm đâu mà ngại vậy tôi. Bây giờ tàu đến chỗ bà mà đây bên phải.
Yeah, can we walk this way?
No trespassing.
So we walk different way. I believe we have the same direction to our car. Yeah, but we should walk different way so we don't feel the same. Wow, this is another lake on a pond.
Pond on lake bằng thôm. Pond smaller than lake.
On. Too fast.
We are lucky, you know.
Yeah, we are
He
lucky.
crossed the street in front of us.
Yeah, we are
Oh,
lucky.
he's so big on.
Where is
We
he?
thought they were small.
He's over
But they
there.
were big. I mean, when you see close, they're so big.
Have a good sand with them.
Yeah, that's
They let us He let us
Let
see.
us see. No. And he's still looking at us. See?
Cannot see far.
We wonder what those yellow girls.
I wonder why the color really match with the forest. Can you zoom?
Yeah. You can see him. He's looking at us.
He's looking at us.
Yeah, he's looking at us.
Hey, hello. Hello, dear.
It's not a deer.
I guess.
Yeah, you're right, you guys.
Hello. Oh. Oh, they have the family here.
No, that's the baby.
Hello, baby.
Go closer. Baby.
Hey, hello, baby.
Oh, even the baby. As big as you.
Hello, baby.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Nice. Come on.
Oh, he's adorable.
That's why he's waiting.
Yeah,
He's waiting for...
for the baby.
Where?
Yeah. Oh, because we are here.
Where are they? Where? Oh, here.
We
No,
are here. He's afraid to cross. Nice. Look at the tail, so fluffy,
yeah.
so puffy.
He look really young.
Yeah, he's young. He's like a teen.
We should wait for him to cross the street because his family there.
Yeah, he's gonna cross.
Yeah, he will.